Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. Today I've bought in a new variety of chapati that you can add to your lunch, dinner or lunchbox collection. This is super easy to make. The ingredients list is given below. So do try this out and let me know. For more such paratha, roti, chapati recipes, lunchbox recipes, lunch and dinner ideas, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell. So let's get into the recipe. To start with, I've placed a pan on low flame and I'm going to add some cleaned pudina or mint leaves into the pan. Now we're going to saute this on low flame so that it turns nice and crispy. This is going to take a while, but make sure the flame is low so that the leaves don't get burned. So now you can see the mint leaves have become nice and crispy and can be easily crushed with your fingers. So let's keep this aside. In another bowl, I've taken whole wheat flour and salt to taste, into which I'm going to add some melted ghee as well as some green chilli paste. This you can adjust to your taste. Now I've got the mint leaves which I've crushed with my fingers. We're going to add the mint leaves also into this mixture. Now we'll mix everything together and form a chapati or roti dough. So I'm going to first mix all the ingredients into the atta. After which we'll gradually add water and make it into a roti or a chapati dough. It needs to be nice and soft. Now the dough is ready. Let's rest it for 10 minutes. So the dough has rested nicely. I've made a peda out of it, dusted it with some flour, and then we'll roll it out like a regular chapati or a roti. So we'll roll the rest of the chapatis also in the same fashion. Now it's time to heat a pan on medium high and add the roti or chapati onto it. Now we'll add some oil. You can use ghee as well. And then cook the chapati from both sides until they are golden brown in color and nice and puffed. You can see the chapati is cooked nicely and it's ready to be served with any sabji of your choice. So do try this variety and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.